Hello. So, I am being called to share something that I wrote a couple of weeks ago, and some of it is in English and some of it in my mother tongue of the beautiful language called Kannada. It's titled The Vulnerability of Value. Here it goes. What does the word value mean to you? How much of this word have you valued? What defines the value of someone or something in your life? Is it the impact that someone or something has created in you? Or is it what and how much effort it took for you to own or experience that created its value? Is it how coveted or rare it is in the world around you that creates its value? Or is it the lack of it that actually created its value? Is it what others told or value a lot around you that created its value? Where does all of this stem from? What creates my value or what value do I create? Is this value deciding my worth? Is it actually redirecting my dreams even? ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಮಾಯೆ, ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಕ್ಷಣಿಕ. ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ ಮೌಲ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಬೆಲೆ ಮರುಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಬದಲಾಗುವುದು. ನೀರಿನ ಕಿಮ್ಮತ್ತು ಮತ್ತು ಬೆಲೆ ತಿಳಿಯುವುದು ಬರಗಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಮರಳುಗಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ. ಒಬ್ಬರ ಧ್ವನಿ ತರುವ ಸಮಾಧಾನದ ಬೆಲೆ ಅದು ನಿಂತಾಗಲೇ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಿಳಿಯುವುದು. ಸಮಯದ ಬೆಲೆ ಉಸಿರುಗಟ್ಟಿದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಿಳಿಯುವುದು. ಈ ಕ್ಷಣ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸತ್ಯ. When the value of everything and everyone could change every moment in so many different ways, why are we running behind it? Either you value everything or value nothing at all. It's the in between that creates the struggle. I know both sounds implausible. There is truth in this moment and valuing this moment alone, not the past nor the future. ಈ ಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಅನುಭವಿಸುವುದೇ ನನ್ನ ಜೀವನದ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಎಂದು ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಅಗಾಧವಾದ ಧನ್ಯತಾ ಭಾವ. ಅಹಂ ಧನ್ಯೋಸ್ಮಿ.